Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my beloved kids. Today we are going to study about the material about addition up to 100, yeah, in chapter 5. Now, in the subchapter of solving number problems, okay? To solving a number problems, it means that how to complete a task, ya, how to solve a problem in a case of story, menghitung dalam hal soal cerita. Nah, please, my beloved kids, please have a look at on the screen. Here it is, for example. Yeah, it is the same. Yeah, it is the same as other addition like 4 plus 2 or 51 plus 53. They are all the same, but the difference is that in solving word problems is that we try, yeah, in solving word problem we try to solve the problem, the numbers in the question of the story. Pertanyaannya adalah soal cerita. Okay, first, Yusuf buys 8 workbooks. Adam buys 2 workbooks, more than Yusuf. How many workbooks do they buy altogether? Nah, my beloved kids, when you answer this question, make sure that you open your notebook, yeah, so that you can please jot down and take a note first, because it is difficult enough for you to figure out. So you need a paper, yeah. First is, okay, let's answer. First, we should know Yusuf. How many workbooks does Yusuf have? Does Yusuf buy? 8 workbooks. Yeah, workbooks. Yeah. And Adam, how many Adam books? How many workbooks does Adam buy? Buy 2 workbooks more than Yusuf. 2 more than Yusuf. Okay. So what is the question? How many altogether? How many books? Yeah, altogether. Nah, this is the question. First, you have to understand about what we know from the context, what we know from the story. Yeah, we know Yusuf have 8 workbooks, by 8 workbooks. We know that Adam have 2 more than Yusuf workbooks, and then we know what we are going to know. We are going to know how many books altogether. So let's count. First is that we know it is 8 in Yusuf. How many does Adam have? Yeah, Adam has 2 more than Yusuf. Yeah, 2 more than Yusuf, it means that, remember, 8 plus 2. Yeah, 8 is Yusuf in here, yeah. 8 is from Yusuf, yeah. And 2 is Adam, 2 more than Yusuf. So the answer is 10. Nah, okay, we know that Adam has 10 workbooks. After knowing the Adam books, now we count all together to know how many books altogether. Yusuf has 8 and Adam has 10. So what number 8 plus 10? Nah, how many altogether? Yeah. How to know about this? You don't know, or do you know how to count the simple numbers like this? Yeah, here it is. We use this. Uh, tens and ones. Yeah, we use these tens and ones. Yeah, which one is tens? No, it has no tens. Which one in one is ones? 8. Good. 8. Which one is the tens? Good. 1. Which one is ones? 0. Okay. 8 plus 0 is 8. Yeah, because it has no number. Yeah. Remember, 0 has no number. And 1 put in here. So the answer is 18. Okay. So you can conclude How many books altogether? There are 18 workbooks altogether. Okay. Now, so far so good? Okay, if it is good, let's have a look at another question. Okay. Nah, a group of 70 Alwildan students visit a museum. Nah, segrup dari 70 siswa Alwildan mengunjungi museum. 36 of them go there by bus. The rest go there by van. How many of the students go to the museum by van? Nah, how many total? Total berapa? Total of the students 70. Good. This is what we know, okay? And then 36 by bus. 36 by bus. 36 by bus. Okay? The rest go there by van. Van is the rest, sisanya. Okay? How many of the students go to the museum by van? This is what we want to know. We have know the context, and then afterwards we want to know the question is that how many by van? This is what we want to know. How can we know? Please, total. Total is all together, yeah. 36 by bus, yeah, by van, yeah, and then plus 70, okay. How can we know that how many students going by van? It's easy. We can see 70 minus 36. It will be what number? You know? Okay, if you don't know, let's see about with this box. Okay. Which one is the tens? 7. Which one is ones? 0. Which one is tens? 3. Which one is ones? 6. It is minus. In minus 0 minus 6, we land a number in here, okay? Land a number. Put this 1, and this is will be 6 because the one number of these tens taken by ones, okay? Good. 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 3, 6 minus 3 is 1, 2, 3. What is the left? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 34. 34 by van. 34. Okay. Because why? How can we know that it is 34? It's easy. Just 36 plus 34 is 70. Okay? 70. Okay. If you don't know, you can contact me to know about the easiest way. Okay? Or after this